Jinan USR IOT Technology Limited, a leading industrial Internet of Things software and hardware solutions on service provider, has two manufacturing plant, provides customers with IoT modules, communication terminals, smart gateways, cloud platforms, and IoT solutions. USR IoT has more than 320 employees now. USR IoT has won many honors, such as National High-Tech Enterprise, Software Enterprise, Gazelle Enterprise, Most Valuable and Influential IoT Communication Enterprise. USR IoT products are widely used in fire alarm, environmental monitoring, power distribution network, medical terminal, smart agriculture, sharing economy. Typical application scenarios include industrial PLC remote monitoring, intelligent charging pile, intelligent express cabinet, vending machine, intelligent water and electric meter, intelligent parking. USR IoT has served more than 100,000 customers at home and abroad, with a total shipment of more than 10 million pieces. The whole product process is under control, from the beginning of research and development to the spot check before shipment, including vendor selection, material purchase, incoming material inspection, material storage, lean production, and strict test. We do our best to ensure that the product is qualified, environmental protection, reliable. Build a smarter IoT world. Your trustworthy partner, USR IoT.